Hello and welcome back, viewers. Excuse me if I have a little frog in my throat, but today we are in Crosse. I don't think we've announced this to you guys, but that's where me and Austin go to school now.
Home base for the next 9 months.
Yeah, so the next few videos you guys are probably going to see are going to be out of Crosse. So we're across the state now. Sorry, okay. So we're across the state now from where we were. So we're going to be doing a lot of new fishing, a lot of river fishing, which we're not particularly used to. So a lot on the Mississippi and its backwaters. So today we're going to be pan fishing, more specifically bluegill fishing.
Some big old bluegills.
Yeah. So this is what we're going to be fishing right here, a little spillway of the Mississippi. So we're going to get out and we're going to fish before we catch West Nile, because we're getting absolutely destroyed by mosquitoes right now. So we might talk a little more while we're up there, but as of right now, we're going to get out of there.
Got a quick little shout out to my friend Austin for showing me the spot, and Peyton for letting us use his car to get here. Otherwise, this video would not be possible, so thanks, guys.
See you over there, guys. This is my first ever Mississippi River fish. First big tank of a bluegill. Yeah, he came right off a little break in the current right there. Pretty simple, just hook and a bobber, good old fashioned Mississippi River bluegill. Hopefully there'll be plenty more to come. Let's go catch another one. This is what we're working with right now, and again, I'm sorry if you can't hear me, my voice is almost gone. There's a train going by, and also we're at a dam, as you can see. But I think I've got 3 or 4 fish on the bobber. Austin's switching between a jig and a Lindy rig. So I don't know, we'll see what starts producing more. The bite's starting to heat up, it's starting to be sunset now. So I'm gonna flip this around, I'll head over here, and get back to fishing.
Like 20th bluegill of the day. I'm gonna go after that 5-pounder I saw jumping out there. I'm gonna throw this big old spook.
Got him. I think it's a smallie. Dude, you're gonna have to help me land them probably.
Huh?
I think it's a smallie. It's not super big. Yeah, it is a smallie. Just can't stay away from him, I guess. Oh, look at him pull. Oh no, he's barely hooked.
My first, believe it or not, my first Mississippi bass. Nice little like 14-inch smallmouth. Ate the spook right on top. Beautiful. Definitely more to come. Let's get a sick little release on this guy though. Awesome fish. That's a tank. That is a tank.
This is maybe the biggest bluegill I've ever seen. An absolute chub. I can hardly fit my hand around this thing.
Dude.
Oh my God. Look at how tall it is. Absolutely beautiful fish. All right, I'm gonna talk to the big camera for a sec. All right, so I just caught this tank right here. It was actually really fun. A lot of people overlook bluegill fishing, but when you're in the Mississippi River region like we are, absolutely key that you go pan fishing, because the size of some of the fish you can catch is just absolutely insane. A lot of the time, people don't want to bluegill fish just because it's kind of like what kids do, or you don't catch very big fish. But I mean, catching fish this size is not supposed to be this fun. Oh my God, this never gets old. And when these little fish get this big, they just absolutely pack on muscle on their backs. It's absolutely insane. So these things fight like horses. It's so much fun. We're gonna get this guy back. Unfortunately, this is our last fish. Austin capped off the night on that smallmouth, which is pretty freaking cool on top water. So yeah, we're gonna get packing up, head back, and get out of here. So thank you guys for tuning in today. I really hope you guys enjoy the new series of videos on the Mississippi while we're here in college. So we're gonna get this guy back, and
should be a fun year. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, it's
look
definitely
for more content. Hopefully we can get out enough to make a decent amount of videos while we're here.
All right, so like this bluegill's about to do, you guys get out there and make a splash.